All right, so let me try this. It's a pretty intricate process. And again, there's some opportunity for mistake, quite a bit, but I'll do my best here. And so please, those of you that are here live, I ask that you watch and alert me as quickly as possible to any mistakes that in computation that I may have made. Unfortunately, you don't have that luxury on a test, right? But we basically want to get rid of we want to somehow get rid of the x's first, and then in the next step we want to get rid of a y so that we're left with that upper triangular form. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to erase those markings, but so let me, I think for right now, I'm going to leave this one as is. I don't have any reason right now to believe that if I modify it, it'll help anything. Now I want to get rid of the 2x somehow. And so I'm going to take equation 1 and multiply by 2 and add it to equation 2. So this is 1, this is 2, and that's 3. All right, so negative 1, right? That's a 1 times 2 is negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. That's a 1. Let me see if I could do a better one. Let's just do it stick wise. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. Negative 16 times 2 is negative 32 plus negative 8 is negative 40. All right. So just a quick double check is worth doing. 8 and 3 is 11. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. 32, negative 32 and negative 8 is negative 40. All right. So, I mean, this is 0, so I really don't need it. I don't need that. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, now I am going to take equation 2 and add it to equation 3. So 2 plus negative 2 is 0. x. This gives me a minus 1y. This is a negative 5y. And finally, I get a negative 13. And then a double check on the work. I don't think this is right. Oh, no, no, okay. This is a Z. Okay, so I already found a mistake. But not a terrible mistake. These should be Z's. So that eliminates, that's a minus 1. And that's a minus 5. And that is a minus 13. All right. So now I'm going to keep this as is. I'm going to keep the second one as is as well. Now the last one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first one and multiply it by 11. Why 11? No, my bad. That's not what I want to do. Sometimes you have to regroup on these. Let me think first. Well, I'm already realizing that maybe just copying it directly. Well, I think we're okay. So what I'm going to do, this is going to simplify things quite a lot. I'm just going to multiply that equation by 11. That's what we should do. So now I've got negative 11 here, negative 55. And then 13 times 11 is 143. Any questions so far?
Would it be 55Z or we got rid of the Z?
I just saw that too. It should be in there. So the signs are negative, 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 negative. Okay, so now leave this alone. Leave that alone. And now I can add equation 2 to 3. So this is 0y. And this is minus 61z. And this is minus 183. Which worries me a little bit because I don't know that it's going to go in evenly. Because at this point, I can get rid of this.
Negative 61 into negative 183 is just 3.
Perfect. That makes me very happy because, well, it's a whole number, right? So it's going to be easy to work with. Thank you for checking that. So it's simply 3. Okay, now, and forgive me for, I'm running out of space here, but I'm gonna, so that's that work. Because I divided by negative 61. Actually, you did. Now I'm gonna take the 11y minus 6z is negative 40. And I can get rid of this z because you just told me z is 3. So what is that? 32.
Should be negative 22.
22. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. That's a 2 then. Now I know my x. I know, no, I'm sorry. I know my z and I know my y. And let's see if this space is enough to figure out x.
Shouldn't the y be negative 2? Because it should be negative 22.
Yes. Thank you. And we're almost there. So if I add 11, that gives me 5, negative 5. So that's my solution. I know it's pretty messy and there's a lot going on, but that's how you would solve this kind of equation.